Hi friends, welcome to our channel. First of all, I want to say thanks to 1000 subscribers. Today we are going to discuss multiplication technique. Especially want to save the time in the multiplication. That's why welcome to one more multiplication technique. Okay, today we are going to discuss one more multiplication trick. Suppose, first of all, for this required basic knowledge is squares. Already we learned squares. For example, simple squares are explained. 10 square, 100, 20 square, 400, 30 square, 900, okay, 40 square, because of 4 square 16, 00, okay, 1600, 40 square, 50 square, 5 square 25, that's why 2500, 60 square 3600. Okay, with this easy squares I will start, easy to difficult I will go. Okay, once again listen students, observe here, this squares you know very well. How this squares is useful? By following our channel, many squares you learn. By using squares, how to apply in the multiplication. Okay, easy. For example, any two numbers divided by 2 given here, at the time how to multiply. For example, 19 into 21. See here, difference 2. Difference 2 is there. This apply this technique. Okay. Then product of two numbers equal to middle number square minus 1. This is the technique. If difference is 2, then answer middle square number minus 1. Middle number easy. Okay, number lies between 19 and 21 is 20. 20 square minus 1. 20 square you know very well. What is that? 400. 400 minus 1, 390. Your understanding purpose I wrote here, but this is possible to write orally. Okay friends, once again observe. For example, we have 29 into 31. Not only these numbers, any two numbers, product of two numbers which are divided by 2 is nothing but middle number square minus 1. Apply this technique. Observe here. For example, sample purpose, easy to difficult I selected. First is level 1. Next level 2, level 3 I will explain. Okay. Observe here. Suppose you have 29 into 31. This middle number is 30. 30 square minus 1. 30 square, you know what is 30 square? 900. 900 minus 1, 899. Like that. Okay. When you have square in the mind, naturally, every student learning squares up to 25. Minimum at least 20. That possible to use in the multiplication technique. Suppose by following my channel, you will get perfectness up to 60 square. Some students, they said they learned up to 65 square by following my channel. Okay, so for them, you are possible to apply the squares knowledge here. Okay, for example, you have 39 into 41. Sample I am saying. So middle number lies between 39 and 41 is 40. 40 square minus 1. 40 square you know very well. 1600 minus 1, 1599. Okay friends, once again try to understand. When numbers are divided by 2, then product of the two numbers is square of middle number minus 1. Square of middle number minus 1. Now observe this 19, 21. Middle number is 20. That's why I applied 20 square minus 1. Okay. Next, number lies between 20 and 31 is 30. So 30, that's why 30 square minus 1. 30 square 900 minus 1. Just one number less. Like childhood learn no. Preceding of 900, 899. Like that. Okay. 39. Number lies between 39 and 41 is 40. 40 square. That's why 40 square minus 1. 1599. Okay. Like that orally possible. Okay friends. Understand? Welcome to some more examples. For example, suppose you have 59 into 61. Like the product of two numbers which are divided by 2 is square of middle number minus 1. So 59 is 61, middle number 60. That's why 60 square 3600 minus 1 means 3599. Okay friends, like this easy. Suppose normal number, any two numbers also which are divided by 2 is nothing but square of middle number minus 1. Okay, suppose easy, your recognizing purpose I use 9 and 11. Okay, 9 and 11, middle number between 9 and 11 is 10. 10 square, 100 minus 1, 99. You know very well, 11 9 to 99 no? Like that, okay. Cross checking purpose I done this, okay. Like that any number you possible do. I will explain some more examples. Welcome back to some more example. Suppose you know very well 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 40 square 196. Like that, some squares you know well. So by using that squares, easy to answer. For example, you have 11 into 13. So these are divided by 2. Middle number 12 square. 12 square 144 minus 1, 143. Like that, directly possible to answer. Okay. Nowadays you are learning squares by using our channel also. You learn squares many up to 65. Okay. That time, how many squares you know very well. That much easy to write multiplications. Okay. For example, 12 into 14. After here 12 into 14. Middle number 13. 13 square 169. That's why 168. That's all. You possible write directly. For example, 13 into 15. 13 into 15 is there. Number lies between 13 and 15 is 14. 14 square, you know, 196. That's why 195. That's all. Okay. Suppose 14 into 16. The numbers which are divided by 2, this technique. Divided by other number, I will say another technique in the through other video. Okay. Observe. Now divided by 2. Once again, dear friends, if two numbers are product of two numbers which are divided by 2 is square of middle number minus 1. Now here middle number is 15. 15 square 225. That's why 224. That's all. By 1 number less. Okay. Last 15 into 17. Suppose 15 into 17. Middle number 16. 16 square 256. That's why 255. That's all. Like that, friends. Very easy to multiply. Follow this technique. I hope you understand. Please click on the bell symbol and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.